For organizing information, visuals have always been important to humans. They're memorable and can be processed more quickly by our brains. That's why Bublup makes your content so much easier to access in one place. With thumbnail images and customizable titles visible at a glance, it's super easy to get started with creating your own first folder in Bublup. These folders appear on your home screen and can contain endless subfolders, allowing for even more organization. To populate your folders, tap the plus button and select the type of content you'd like to add. Or paste a web link. You can also drag stuff directly into Bublup and invite others to your folders to stay connected to information and collaborate. Plus, you can share anything you want outside of Bublup with a tap. If you really want to impress people, you can group multiple items together and transform them into a beautiful roll. Thanks to Bublup, be more productive, creative, and organized with everything you need at your fingertips.